Today in the livestock market, cattle was lower. Those sagging beef prices may last to the end of the summer, and that has traders a little bit worried. The late start to the grilling season really set back futures a lot, and it's struggling for some footing to find its way. The technical resistance numbers are capping any upturn so far in the market. That being said, we are oversold. You know, maybe we will have a snapback. It certainly didn't happen today, especially when you think about the feeders. The feeders fell today. The corn gains in the grain side really weighed on the futures right now, and it seems that the feed prices are definitely going to go up as corn continues to march higher. That makes it difficult, you know, going forward. Just, you know, how the pricing models are going to work. Now, there has been that momentum, like I said, and yet we are still oversold. So I think that these, you know, the bullish nature that's happening in the grains are just hitting those feeders pretty hard and actually building a little bit momentum, like selling, you know, follow through selling momentum and pushing it a little bit lower. But the traders are really hoping for possibly an uptick in demand because we are so late at getting started with the grilling season. We're almost beyond Father's Day, even though that's coming up right now. And we're looking forward to perhaps 4th of July. Maybe if we get a spring back in the weather, we're going to get some big domestic demand for some of the beef. That should definitely give it a shot in the arm. Also now, hogs were lower. The concerns over the volatility has everyone a little bit nervous, and the longer that we move sideways, the more some of the liquidation starts to leak out and starts to press this market. And it certainly looks like the market wants to test some of its support levels. Without any movement in the Chinese tariff war, I think that you know, everyone's looking to information to try to give it a little bit more of a lift. I think that if we do get some extra liquidation, we're going to see the market push lower again. But regardless, the fundamentals are really bullish long term, but it just hasn't been able to ignite any heat at this point right now. But we're going to watch for that. That just is another recipe for a lot more volatility ahead.